If you're going to take the PMP exam in this method, it is highly illegal and you can be in a whole lot of trouble. My name is Andrew Ramdial and I am the author of this book, PMP Exam Prep Simplified, Amazon's best-selling book for the PMP exam in the entire world, by the way. So let's go ahead and get started in this video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be covering something that is called proxy testing. Proxy testing is basically when someone else take the exam for you. Now, proxy testing is something that was somewhat common, somewhat that I've seen before in the IT certification space, because IT exams were taken at sleazebag testing centers, and especially when they brought the exam online, proxy testing became an option for PMP. Now, what the hell is it? Proxy testing in its easiest form is nothing more than having somebody far away in a different room or in a different country take the exam for you. So basically, you take the exam at home. And if you know, taking the PMP exam at home basically is you're sitting in front of your computer, you're watching a camera, you're moving the mouse, you're moving the keyboard, and you're answering the question. Proxy testing is when they remotely control your machine with some kind of software, and then they answer the questions for you. All you need to do is sit in the chair like I have here, sit in the chair and basically watch the camera, and they control it, they answer the question, and you pass the exam. Now, I wanted to do a video on this because this is something that PMI knows that exists. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to put a link to this thing in a minute. And it is happening quite often. Last night, in a really popular PMP forum, somewhere on the internet, I'm not going to mention where, because I'm going to show you the screenshot of what this person posted. It is public. I'm not doxing anyone or anything like that. This person posted this in a public forum. I'm not going to post it. I'm not going to give away the post. I'm not going to give away the person's name or anything like that. If you want it, you can find it. You can go look for it. I'm going to show you, somebody took a screenshot of somebody trying to offer them the services of proxy testing or the ability to take the test remotely. Let's take a look at this. So basically, you guys can pause the video and read this whole thing. I'm not going to read this whole thing here. But what it is basically they're telling the person that they're going to get them certified in 10 days. They're guaranteed, 100% guarantee that this person will get certified, and that you don't have to pay anything up front. All you have to do is trust them and have them log into your machine, do the exam for you, pass it, and then you're going to pay them. The person is asking, how is this going to work? So they're going to provide a certified trainer. You book the exam online. On the day of the test, their trainer will then get remote access to your computer an hour before. They'll answer all the questions and you will get the certification. All you need to do is sit there. Now, this is illegal. I mean, there's nothing here for me to tell you other than this is illegal. Now, there's a lot of problems with this. I'm going to give you guys, if you ever consider this, first of all, it's a massive, massive ethics violation. If PMI finds out, you're going to guarantee that you will lose your certification. You will be banned from taking your certification. Legal ramification, is this a felony? Is this a misdemeanor? I'm not too sure about that, but I'm pretty sure there's probably going to have other repercussions of doing this. So please don't do this. And there's some things that I was thinking about. As I read the forums, some people came up with some really valid point that I wanted to just talk about. And one of them is you're giving some weird person or company access to your computer to remotely log into your machine. So I do IT security. So the more I thought about this, I was like, wait a minute, somebody's got to be really stupid to do this, to at least even attempt to buy this service. So you're going to give some weird person in some other country the ability to log into your computer. That means all of your data, your pictures, your credit card information, your Word documents, your bank statements, all the saved things in your browser. By the way, those passwords you save in your browser is in clear text. Don't do that. All of that, they now have access. So they could download all of that information right off of your computer and put it on their machine. The other thing that people brought up in the forum that was really interesting that I didn't think about. First of all, I was just thinking this person is really stupid to do this. Now, the person did not do it, all right? They were just showing you that this exists. So if you do it, one of the things that one person brought up that caught my interest was they could blackmail you. So these people can come take your exam, and let's say they say they want, I don't know what the price is, maybe they want $1,500 or $2,000, whatever it is. And they take the exam, you pass the exam, and now they say, well, we want $10,000. We want $20,000. If you don't give us, we're going to report you to PMI that you bought this service and you cheated on the exam. What are you going to do? You're stuck, right? They're going to hold you blackmail basically for the rest of your life because you did a stupid thing like this. This is a very stupid thing because they have all your data. They could steal all your data. They could blackmail you for the rest of your life. This is not a smart move. Now, I'm not going to get more into this. I want to make this video really short. So if you guys can think of any more repercussions, do me a favor, put it in the comments below. So whoever is thinking of doing this stupid thing, they'll know more repercussions of it. So them stealing your data, them reporting you to PMI or blackmailing you is all the problems. Now, PMI knows this. PMI knows proxy testing exists. Now, they do have a link. Where is my link here? Here we go. So they do have, oh, here we go. PMI does have an email that you can send if you're ever on LinkedIn, you're on a forum, and somebody tells you this or offered this service to you. The best thing you can do, take a screenshot of it, try to grab their username, and send it to this email, examssecurity@pmi.org. There is an article here. This is the link that I got it from. This is going to be in the description below. Here is the email that you can send. So whoever this person is, I don't know you. I didn't put your name here. The public forum is available to everyone. You did put this in a public forum, by the way, if you're watching this video. So it is accessible to everyone. So if you are the person that does this, or if you're ever approached by crazy people or cheaters, send this to them. So this is going to be where you would send the information to. Now, before I leave this video, you know, guys, I'm going to be against this because if people cheat on taking the exam, I don't get to sell any of my great books. And realistically, you know, there's something a little off topic that just came to my mind. When you're studying for a certification exam, guys, don't study for a certification exam just to get certified, just to say, I'm PMP certified. You know, the PMP certification, especially this version of it, has so much good things that you can learn to become a better project manager. I can't stand people that are certified but don't know anything. People that memorizes things like brain dumps, memorize actual questions and answers and pass the exam. If you're learning a certification, learn it, know how to apply it, and become better at your job. Don't use stupid services like this. Don't use brain dumps and just memorize questions. Don't do those things. What you need to do is you need to study. I'm not telling you to study my book, although you should. Anybody's book, anybody's course, PMI's course, my biggest competitor's course, my biggest competitor book, PMBOK, and all the great books that PMI make. Study something, know the material, know how to apply it. When you're certified, be proud of that certification, right? Be proud that you know how to manage a project. Be proud that when you walk into a job interview, you have the confidence to sit in front of the interviewer and talk about project management because you are a certified project manager. Have pride in your certification and in yourself. Don't use stupid services like this. Do me a favor. If you know somebody taking their PMP, if you're already PMP certified or you're going to become PMP certified, share this video with them. All right. Share this video with them and tell them if they ever approach to send this email here. If we all come together as one group of people and start reporting these a-holes, hopefully I don't get demonetized for this, saying that word, for these morons that does these types of services, maybe they will stop. So please share this video with everyone. And if you find value in what I just told you there, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel for more great content on project management, PMP, and so on. I have some amazing content coming out on job stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.